If there's one thing I've learned after travelling thousands of miles in my motorhome, it's that when living on the road, every little bit of space and convenience really matters. And today, I'm making a big upgrade to my Swift KonTiki 794 motorhome kitchen because I finally decided that washing dishes by hand while touring around the UK and Europe just isn't for me anymore. So meet the HAVA R09 Countertop Dishwasher. This compact dishwasher is designed to sit on your countertop at home, in your camper or in your motorhome, and this could make it absolutely perfect for everywhere you go for your motorhome, campervan or caravan van life. But the big question is, can a countertop dishwasher really work in a motorhome? Is it practical? Is it easy to install? How much space does it actually take up? And most importantly, is it going to make life on the road any easier? Because with yet another huge UK, Irish and European motorhome adventure coming up, I want my kitchen to be as practical and comfortable and easy to use as possible. So today we're going to install the HAVA R09, put it through its paces and find out whether it could be one of the best motorhome kitchen upgrades I've ever made. Or indeed, is it any good for you to use in your campervan motorhome or even in your kitchen at home? Let's get it installed and see if this little dishwasher can handle life on the road. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Abroad Yorkshire. The sun's out, I'm in the motorhome, which means one thing, it's time again to do that late summer tour. But I've got an awesome upgrade which I've been wanting to bring you for a long time. This is absolutely brilliant. So it's fantastic if you're a van lifer, it's fantastic if you're a motorhomer, it's even fantastic for your own home. It's all about this little baby here. It's the HAVA R09 Countertop Dishwasher. Now, what do I need a dishwasher in a motorhome for, you're asking? Now, one of the problems I have, if you're a van lifer or a motorhome lifer, you'll know that space in these things is an absolute premium. Every inch in every cupboard really does make a difference. Now, this countertop dishwasher fits perfectly under the seat while I'm traveling, absolutely perfect, and it also sits perfectly, as you can see, on top of my counter just here. Now this is the oven and the hob. We never ever use the oven and hob, so it's just totally redundant. If we could have it taken out, we would, but as you can see, it fits perfectly on there. Absolutely brilliant. So one of the problems we have is when we're doing the pots, if we've been eating inside, when you do the pots and your pans and you clean your plates and your dishes and your cups and your bowls, when you're washing them, you've got to sort of wash them and then put them wet on the side, you know, and you get soap everywhere, and then you've got to dry them and you've got to put them away. It's not a big task. But when you got somebody sat down and they're still eating, or whenever the table's still full, you really do start running out of space quickly. And that's where this comes in absolutely perfect. Now, countertop, as you can see, it's small, but it does absolutely everything that a full-size dishwasher will do at home. So you can have this at home, plumbed in, on your countertop, in your kitchen as well, but it's absolutely brilliant. I'm going to show you inside. On top, first of all, you'll notice you got your instructions here, all your instructions that you need to know how to use the dishwasher. Once you've done it a few times and you've used it, you can take this off, absolutely perfect, but I'm going to leave it on. At the back there you can see that's the filler. As you can see here, easy to fill. All you do is you put it in, you've got a little jug here. This jug holds 1.8 litres and it'll hold 3 of these jugs, and you can't overfill it because, as you can see, it lets you know when it's full with a little satisfying beep. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you inside, and this is brilliant. I'm going to show you this. So as we open it up, as you can see, it's all illuminates blue. We slide out on a full drawer. You've got on here your little tray for your knives, forks, cutlery. You've also got a cutlery tray there. This is your filler, so it's got its own little place which sits there when it's travelling. Everything sits inside nice and neat and away like that. This is your filling jug, 1.8 litres, so it'll hold 3 of those, and then it'll give you the little beep to show it's full. This folds up and down as well to give you more space. Here's a natty little invention. This is actually a fruit bowl, so if you've got any fruit and you need to wash it, it's actually got a setting on there which I'll show you in a short while. If you need to wash any fruit, so if you're abroad on holiday, for example, if you're, I don't know, you may be in Spain or France or anywhere in Europe, and you bought some fresh fruit and you want to give it a quick wash, you can stick it in there, stick it on the fruit wash setting, and it'll give your fruit a quick wash for you. Absolutely brilliant. So I thought that was a fantastic idea. I'll show you what else is inside. Inside you come with your permanent hose, so if you didn't want to fill it up with the little jug, you can actually plumb it in permanent. So if you're in your house, exactly the same as a normal dishwasher or washing machine, that just goes straight to your cold tap, connects onto the back of your machine, and happy days. So it can be permanently installed, especially if you're in you might have a flat at home, anything like that. You might be looking for a premium little bit of space. Get it plumbed in with that, absolutely bang on. What about the waste, the runoff? You get another little pipe like that, so you get a little pipe like this, look, happy days. Lovely. So this just plugs on the back, as you can see, and then over here, that runs down and goes into your sink, which I'll show you now. So on the back here, this is the rear on the back, as you can see. This here is your inlet, so this will just pull off like that. That is your inlet for that pipe that I showed you, which is this one here. So if you want to permanently install it with this, all you do is you use the L-shaped end. That will go onto there like that. That'll go on there, and then that other end, the flat end, that goes straight to your plumbing in your home if you want to do it that way. Myself, we're just going to use it in the motorhome, store it away, so it's absolutely perfect. Just use the tank on board. So right next to this one, you've got your outlet. So this is your little outlet pipe. It comes supplied with your pipe like I showed you. You've got a little L-shaped bracket there as well. That just pushes on because it's made of rubber, and then you have your little Jubilee clip which will go on there. Tighten that one up, and happy days. So that's easy, really easy to set up. On the other side of that pipe, it simply runs into your sink like this. So on the other side, you've got your outlet just there, look, and you've got a little suction pad here. All you do, stick that on your sink like that, bish bash bosh, and that is ready to go. So when it empties, it goes straight down your sink. Happy days, absolutely brilliant. So what about the features? I'm going to show you the features, what it comes with. It's so simple, so straightforward, it's absolutely brilliant. This is going to be a real lifesaver, especially when we're in Spain. So we don't have to put all the pots into the washing up bowl, and instead of doing them in the sink again or bits down the sink, we usually put them in the washing up bowl and take it to the facilities on the campsite, so you're having to walk across the campsite with all your pots and wash them and do them there. This is going to save all that, cut it all out. So we're all loaded up. I'm going to show you that inside. I've got the big plates in, as you can see. These are 26.5cm plates. Now it says on the instructions it takes up to 26cm plates, which are full-size dinner plates. These are 26.5. As you can see, they fit in there, absolutely no problem at all. Still space at the top. So inside we have loaded it up with 2 full-size dinner plates, 2 small plates, we've got 2 cups, we've got 2 sets of cutlery, and 2 little bowls as well. So absolutely perfect. We're going to put that in. This runs just normal dishwasher tablets, just like a normal full-size dishwasher. Absolutely fine. We're going to close the door. I'm going to show you some of the features. So inside we have our modes. We have the normal mode, which is what I'm going to be running on. I hope we can see these, boys and girls. So first of all, we've got our normal mode. I'll be running on normal mode in a second. We've got eco mode if you want to just run it lightly, so it's not using as much water. Absolutely brilliant. We've got a quick mode, so if it's only a couple of plates in there and it's not very heavy soiling, stick it on a quick mode. If you've got heavy soiling, you're going to put any pans in there or anything that's a little bit more heavily soiled, you can put it on a strong wash. Absolutely fantastic. If you've got your glasses, obviously you want to put some glasses in there that you've used for your lovely glass of wine on the old campsite. Get them banged in, happy days. And again, like we said, we've got the fruit washing facility as well. Not only does it wash it, it also dries everything for you as well. So they're absolutely fantastic, just like a full-size regular dishwasher that you have in your house. It's exactly the same, but more compact. I'm going to carry on showing you what else it's got. It's also got a self-clean function. So hit that, put it on self-clean, and it will clean itself as well. Absolutely fantastic. It's got a drying facility like I've just mentioned. If you've got any pots or you put them in the, I don't know, you might have done them in sink, you want to put them in here to dry so they're not dripping on the side, you can just dry them on their own. We've got a time delay function. So if you don't want it to start while you're out of the motorhome, you can put your pots in and put a delay on there so it times and starts when you're back. And you've obviously got your lock function and your unlock, and your start and pause, S&P, start and pause, and your power button. There you go. So I've pressed the power button. It's automatically started up in eco mode, which will be 68 minutes. All I need to do now is press play. And that's it. What I'm going to do, boys and girls, I've just started that. If you can hear anything hissing in the background, it's my air conditioning. I'm going to turn it off. Right, aircon's going to turn itself off. That's off. Now the dishwasher is on. I'm going to go really close to it with a microphone so you can see just how loud or quiet it is. I don't know if you can pick that up, boys and girls. I can hear the water filling up. I'll take the microphone off. I don't know if you're picking that up. It's really silent, really silent. So I can hear the water filling up, and job is a good one. Let's get it running. Let's see how it performs, and happy days. So what I thought I'd do before I switch that on, I'm going to put it on a quick wash. All right, so I'm going to put it on a quick wash to give it a test, just to see how good it is on a quick wash. But I'm not going to put the plates in clean, as you've seen. Got the plate, full-size dish plate, and as you can see down here, I'm going to put on, first of all, a little bit of the old ketchup. Let's have a look at this. So we'll have a bit of ketchup on there, shall we? A little bit of the old ketchup. Happy days. As well as that, garlic mayonnaise. Bit of the old garlic mayo. Lovely. Let's get some of that banged on. And you can't have a barbecue without the old burger sauce, can you? So we'll have a bit of the old burger sauce on there. Happy days. Get them out of the way. So that's on our plate. Yum. We've had our lovely dinner. It's gone absolutely everywhere. Whoa, look at that. How filthy is that? Beautiful. That's going in bin. Happy days. That's my plate. Let's bang it in. So I'm going to open this up, put it inside, put that in there like that. That can go in the back just like that. Happy days. That's going there. Press play. And away we go. Let's see. I've got it all on my hands. How it performs on scruffy plates. I've cleaned that up as best I can. I've got it absolutely everywhere. Not the cleanest of jobs. I'm going to take you. I'm going to show you inside. I've set it going. It's cleaned that off straight away. Look. I don't know if you can pick that up inside. So we're on these pots here, this one at the back, happy days. It seems to have cleaned it up absolutely fantastic. I don't know if you can pick that up on the inside. There are your cups, as you do. At the back, I've got all your cutlery. These are your dishes. You got your plates in there and your big plates at the back. Gonna leave it running. We have got 23 minutes left. I'll show you again. So we're on a quick wash. There's 23 minutes left. There's still plenty of water inside. It's gonna go through a dry setting as well. As you can see, we're playing. And as a bonus, I have not used a dishwasher tablet. I'm going to see how it performs with water alone without any detergent. So we're going to get a real challenge. Let's see how it turns out in 22 minutes time. Job's a good one. So 3 minutes left to go. Oh, here, as you can see, just 3 minutes left to go on the old quick wash. 2 minutes now. As soon as it's done, it'll go through the drying cycle. As soon as it starts that drying cycle, I'll show you again, and let's see what happens. So far, I'm really am impressed. It's quieter than I expected. It's no louder than a normal dishwasher. It's compact. It does absolutely everything you want it to do, and it's perfect for the motorhome. If you're wanting one of these, I'll put a link in the description so you can click on it, get yourself one of these, and I'll see if I can get you some discount code as well. Let's have a look at the drying mode. Hey! So just to let you know, we use just a normal dishwasher tablet, as you do. Them ones here, they're just finished dishwasher tablets, totally standard dishwasher tablets. There's nothing special to buy. Pop one in, happy days, jobs are good. Now, I'm going to show you that we've still got 41 minutes left on the drying cycle, so it's been going about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to have a look what it's like now without finishing. So what we're going to do is we're going to press pause, we're going to turn that off, as you can hear, perfect. We're going to open it up and we'll just have a look inside. Halfway through, it's not even halfway through, probably a quarter of the way through or a third of the way through the old drying cycle. Let's have a look inside. As you can see, everything looks clean and spotless. These plates, as you saw, were absolutely filthy, caked up. They're dry, absolutely perfect. I'm going to get those out. I don't know if you can see that. The hot, the clean, the dry, absolutely bang on. Again, the smaller plates, clean, dry, absolutely perfect. The cups, again, clean, dry, absolutely perfect. The bowl, clean, dry, again, absolutely amazing. And the cutlery, again, clean and sparkling. Absolutely bang on. So I'm really impressed with that, I really am. It is very small, it's very compact, it does absolutely everything that it says it does on the tin. It's just as good as the one we've got in the house, but more small, more compact, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to be keeping this in the motorhome. Normally I give my stuff away, as you know. This one, I'm keeping it because I'm that impressed. It's absolutely fantastic. In the links in the description, if you want to have a look at these, get yourselves one of these. If you've got a camper van, you've got a motorhome, these are going to save you time, effort and space for spreading your pots everywhere. Happy days. In the summer, when we go away to such as Spain, we've got the awning out and they've got all the tables and everything set up outside. I can even use it outside, so straight off the barbecue, when I've been doing any barbecuing outside, straight in the dishwasher and job is a good one. When I go on the big European tour and I do that, I will show you it in action outside as well. Absolutely fantastic. So that's it, boys and girls. The HAVA R09 Countertop Dishwasher. Absolutely fantastic. This has got to be one of the best things I've bought for the motorhome. Absolutely amazing. Would I recommend it? 100% yes, I would recommend it. Get yourselves one of these. So keep watching then, guys, keep watching, because we're now off on our big European tour. We're going to be taking this little baby with us. We're going to be putting it under the seat, getting it all stored away, getting packed up, getting the doglets in, getting Mrs. Yorkshire in, and we are off. Going to start in the UK, going to go over to Ireland, then we're heading to Europe, and who knows from there. Happy days. What a top piece of kit this is. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you next Wednesday and next Sunday. Job's a good one. Join us for that big tour. See you later. Ta-ra!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to reach you. Content creator.